Sometimes if you must, you have no choice. You feel like so helpless. I already said it's like things happen. You know, you feel like you're out of control, right? I just said that, okay? But if you really must do something like what I suggested not to do, but you must do this year, you might have to rely on your prayers and also implement transcendental cures, other type of transcendental cures. Your best month is February and May and January and September. Your worst month is August and March and June and December. Rooster. Any rooster? Do we have a rooster here? No? No rooster. Okay. Good. Should I just skip that? I think to save time, maybe. Oh, I know. Somebody is here to try to take notes for others. Who's the rooster?
My daughter wants a rooster.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, so I should ask
Just for her.
any other roosters in the family or friends. Again, you know, this is the year that the year god sits on you. You know, so you can pretty much expect that your year is going to be, you know, if, actually I should put it this way, if you are a rooster, your year should be extremely wonderful. If it's bad for you, it's extremely bad. Extreme, opposite, okay? You may experience both this year. So, but the year's slightly beneficial to people situated on the west, and Rooster is one. And because the Huo, the fire element, is in, it's not so strong, not so vicious. It burns. It can melt your metal element, but not so vicious.